Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Samco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Samco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you why paper insulation is important for making a battery pack. But firstly we will know what is paper insulation in battery pack. A paper that is used for insulation in making a battery packs is called barley paper. This barley paper is pasted on the cell to insulate the terminals of the cells. Now we will know why paper insulation is important for making a battery pack. Battery terminals must be fully insulated with clear tape to prevent short circuits or sparks and potential fires. Barley paper insulation are designed to protect and insulate the battery terminals. After cell sorting process, the next step is to stick barley paper on the cells. This is an insulation paper that is applied to the cell so that the battery would not have any internal short circuits. It can be done manually, but there is an automated machine to do that called the auto insulating sticker pasting machine. We stick insulation paper with high accuracy and stability on the cell to provide extra protection from discharging battery packs. This is our machine 18650 sticker pasting machine. So now let's start this machine. For starting this machine, firstly all cells are put into the machine, then go to on the machine display. For start this machine, at first we reset this system, then start up. So this is all about sticker pasting machine. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.